Hello, what's up? Kevin Llamas here. And let's talk about mental health. Actually, nung nakaraan, nagkameron tayo ng Mental Health Awareness Day. And maraming nag-celebrate nun. Kasi sa totoo lang, maraming ang nagsasuffer sa mental health condition like depression, anxiety, OCDs, and a lot more. And hindi ako agad gumawa ng video kasi actually I really support mental health and mental well-being of every individual in the Philippines and all over the world. But I don't usually wanted to talk about it kasi nakita ko simula nung nagkameron ng mental health awareness ay dumami rin yung mga taong nagsasabi na that they have depression and anxiety even though they are just sad, they are just lonely, they are just angry, or they just experience a very very difficult thing na hindi naman talaga totally big problem, but because of that kind of things, pinalalaki nila sa utak nila, and once na lumaki sa utak nila yung sinasabi nila that I have depression, I have anxiety, minsan nagiging totoo siya, nagiging yung imagination of depression and anxiety napupunta sa reality ng kanilang buhay. And I don't want to increase those kinds of things dito sa mundo. But don't get me wrong, I really believe that there's a really really real depression and anxiety and OCDs in the world, and gusto ko silang i-support. Gusto kong ibigay yung aking 100% support using this video na hindi kayo nag-iisa. You are hindi pwedeng i-invalidate yung nararamdaman ninyo. Actually, your emotions, what you feel are all valid. Okay? If you really feel like severe overthinking na tipong hindi kayo makatulog, very disturbed yung inyong nararamdaman, hindi ninyo mapigilan yung negative thoughts sa utak ninyo, and you are really suffering, and I wanted to show my empathy, I wanted to show my sympathy to all of you who are experiencing real depression, real anxiety, and for all of you who are suffering, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo that hindi madali yung pinagdadaanan ninyo, and the fact that you are still alive, that you are still deciding to and choosing to move forward, to go to work, to talk with people, to try your best to get out of that kind of mental health problem. I salute you, and you are a strong person that in spite of those kinds of things, hindi ninyo pinipili na wakasan yung buhay ninyo or saktan yung sarili ninyo. I support all of you, and hindi siya madali, but you are able to manage. Okay? So, sabihin ko sa inyo guys that even though it's okay not to be okay, even though your emotions are valid, I wanted to tell you that I hope one day lumipas din yan. I hope that one day you will get healed, you will be recovered. Okay? Marami tao nagsasabi na religion and God cannot help you, but no, it's not true. Actually, God can help you if you just surrender your anxiety to Him because He cares for you. Sabi nga sa Bible, cast out all your anxiety because He cares for you. And lahat ng iniisip ninyo, if you only know how to just surrender it to God, I believe that there will be some changes, there will be a big difference na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. And sasabihin ko lang sa inyo guys kung bakit marami akong clients na natulungan to overcome their mental health problems. It's called acceptance. Acceptance, mindfulness. If you practice how to accept the things as it is, I think malaking bagay ang magbabago sa inyo. Because a lot of people wanted to control their situation, and sometimes we're expecting the world to be perfect. We are expecting us and expecting our situations to be perfect. But the reality is, they're all imperfect. Those are our irrational demands that we put on ourselves and the world that, okay, no one should bully me. No one should do bad things to me. I should not feel stressed. I should perform. I should always perform at my best all the time. But that's not the reality. Sometimes there are bad days and there are good days. There are good people and there are bad people. And there are some situations wherein you did your best but you cannot achieve it. Naalala ko yung kwento ni Junie Boy na sinabi ni Mavi dun sa anak ni Kong TV na si Kidlat, na sabi na, okay, Kidlat, hindi lahat ng gusto mo makukuha mo. And a lot of times, hindi naman natin makukuha talaga lahat ng gusto natin. Actually, marami akong bagay na gustong-gusto na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin sa akin binibigay ni Lord. Actually, marami akong mga bagay na hinihiling na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nangyayari. And sometimes it's very frustrating, very disappointing. Pero wala naman tayong ibang choice kung hindi magtiwala sa sitwasyon natin and maniwala na kung gusto man nating matapos na to, darating ang araw matatapos din to. At darating ang araw na darating yung hinihiling natin. And naniniwala ako dun. And sama-sama lang tayong maghintay, sama-sama tayong magtiis. And ayun guys, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na I wanted to show my empathy, my sympathy, my compassion to each and every one of you na naka-experience ng sobrang emotional distress sa panahon ngayon. Sa totoo na ang dami nga nag-comment do sa host ng Blues Clues kung saan sinasabi na kinukumusta ng host ng Blues Clues na yung mga tao, and ang dami din nagko-comment na ayaw na nila sa adult life. Gusto na nilang bumalik sa pagkabata. And yan, marirealize nyo rin yun na lilipas din ang panahon. Isa sa mga natutunan ko sa Stoicism is yung tinatawag na amor fati. Yung amor fati, ibig sabihin daw nun is the love of faith. Ngayon, ano ang ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin daw nun na kinakailangan mong mahalin lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo. Lahat, whether it's good things and bad things, kinakailangan mo siyang tanggapin, at hindi lang basta tanggapin, kinakailangan mo siyang mahalin. At kapag nagawa mo daw yun, actually, you will have the best and fulfilling life ever. So, ayun guys, yun yung message ko sa inyo that, stay strong, continue to become resilient. Actually, huwag kayo maniniwala sa, okay, nakakapagod maging malakas, nakakapagod maging resilient. Actually, don't. We have no choice. Actually, you have to be strong. Okay? Okay lang magpahinga. If you feel weak, if you are failing, if you're losing, actually, learn to take a rest. Sleep, do something fun. Okay lang yun. Okay lang. Just, after you take a rest, just decide to be strong again. Okay? Just choose to be okay again. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang guys ang masasabi ko sa inyo. And I will always support mental health community, all of our mental health. So if you needed my help, I'm just one message away. And I'm always here to support each and every one of you. So yun lang guys, and God bless. And yeah, see you again.